Hello, stars. Miss Kromenhoek here. Today is Tuesday, April 22nd, and it's day 2 of our science. So our essential question for this unit, as always, is how do plants grow and change? So I want you to keep that question in your mind as we learn all the things that we're going to learn in this unit. The Cycle of Life song. We should know this song pretty well by now because we've had a lot of days where we've got to hear it over and over again. So I'm not going to play it for you again today, but you can pause this and you can sing along to it and see if you remember how to sing it. So today we're going to talk about how apples grow because we've been learning about life cycles and apples come from trees. So we're going to see what the life cycle is on an apple tree. Apples grow on trees. Each spring, apple trees bloom or set on blossoms. Blossoms are flowers. Tucked inside the bottom of each blossom is an oval. Inside the oval are seeds that will turn into an apple. So before a tree has apples on it, it has flowers. For this to happen, though, bees have to pollinate the flowers so the seeds can be fertilized. So we need bees to come and pollinate the different flowers so then they can turn into apples. Once this happens, the blossoms turn brown and fall to the ground and the apples begin to grow. In most places, it takes 4 to 5 months for apples to be ready to be picked after the blossoms are pollinated. So after those blossoms fall off the tree, it takes 4 to 5 months for apples to then grow. And then we pick them from the trees and we get to eat them. So here's a picture of the life cycle of an apple tree, right? It starts as a seed, then a seedling, then a sapling or a small tree. Then it becomes big, and I see all those blossoms that we had just talked about. Now they're starting to fall off. Then the apples come, and then we get our apples that we get to eat. So how does an apple tree grow and change? What are you noticing about the changes of the apple tree? Here's another cycle, another picture of the cycle. So what I'm going to have you do today is I want you to draw your own picture of the life cycle of an apple tree. Just like we start off as babies and then we become kids and teenagers, adults, and then grandmas and grandpas. Trees and animals have life cycles too. They start off as their own little babies and then they grow up to be adults. So we need to go over some vocabulary to help you think about what you're going to draw for your picture. So flower. Flowers, they make the seeds or fruit. Stem, it's the part that holds up the plant. This is like the body of the plant. Leaves, use sunlight and air to make food. The leaves, when the sun hits the leaves, that helps the plant get energy and it helps it create food. And also that's how it breathes, through its leaves. And roots. Roots are in the ground, and it takes, when it rains and the ground gets wet, the roots drink up all that water in the dirt, and it helps keep the plant alive. Because remember, living things need water. So on a piece of paper, please draw a picture of the life cycle of an apple tree to answer the question. Remember, you can go back and pause this video to help you. When you're done, be sure to take a picture and send it to your teacher on Dojo. Great job today, and keep sparkling and shining, my scientists. See you soon. Bye.